Okay, so the next tool that I'm going to show you guys is the Midtronics. Now, this is probably what you guys are going to be using, or something, close to this, out in the dealerships. All right. This uses a completely different testing procedure than the load tester. Okay, with the carbon pile, and so well, I connected it to positive and negative. Okay, and so we have now it's acting like a voltmeter, and all we have to do is really just press enter and it'll walk you through. So we are going to be testing it in the vehicle. Right here it says top post. Yep, they are top post. Press enter. And then it also says automotive. Yep, it's an automotive. And then it says regular flooded. Yes. Now you also have a choice here for AGM flat plate and AGM spiral plate. Okay, so depending on which battery you have to select it by moving this up and down, right, key. Now you press enter again, cold cranking amps. So we're going to use cold cranking amps to tell it what it is, what size it is, and how much we want, or what we want to test. And so for 630 cold cranking amps, you guys can change it by moving the key up and down. Okay. And so we're going to push enter. So now it's testing it. All right, it gave me the volts, and it told me what the cranking amp is. Now it wants to do a starter test, but I don't want to do a starter test. Okay, so I'm going to print. I'm going to push this and print, and now it's going to print up. Okay, it's just that easy. But this will also test the starter. It tells you the cranking, okay, the battery voltage while it's cranking, also the charging system. So this does the whole thing, right? Same thing that we did with the meter. But this is the professional tool, okay, that they use out in the dealerships. And so here we have the readout. Oop. And you can see here it says that the good battery, right? I know the battery's good. It's just the voltage is low because this truck sits, it's in the school, so it sits a long time and doesn't start every day. But the battery is still in good condition. Okay, believe me that this thing is pretty accurate. If it tells you, even if you have a good voltage and it tells you that the battery's bad, sometimes you can get a bad reading if you don't connect it properly. But for most of the time, this is pretty accurate. Right, and here you go. And that's how you test a battery with the Midtronics. It's just that easy. Very simple.